To the next video. In this video I will show you how to replace audio of a video file with some other audio in native iOS using AVMutableComposition. So let's get started. So firstly I have this pick video button, so I'll just click on it. Okay, and I'll just select this 15-second long video. I'm purposefully selecting this 15-second long video. Then I'll click on pick audio. I have this audio file. Now this is more than 15 seconds. Okay, so I'll just select this audio file. Now I will click on merge. So I have just muted the audio, but here you can see it is still 15-second long and the audio has been merged. Just trust me on that. And so yeah, that's what I will be doing. Like if the audio is greater than the video, I am chopping off the audio. I will show you the entire logic. In some case maybe you don't want to chop off the audio. Suppose if the video is 15-second long, the audio is 30-second long, you want the video to be 30-second long. In that case, once the 15-second video has been played, then you will see a black screen, but your audio will keep playing. So yeah, let's see how to do this. So first I have created a native iOS application. I am using UIKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. Next, inside info.plist I have added this permission for picking photos. This photo permission is basically for picking videos because videos resides in the photos app as well. Then if you see inside my view controller, I have imported photos as well as AVKit, and here I have extended this UI document picker delegate for picking my audio, because audio does not reside in the photos app. Then I have created two variables, video URL as well as audio URL. So whatever you select will get updated. Then I have created a player view controller, and this is the final URL variable of the final video. Okay, sorry, one more thing. If I just close this, if I click on the save button, the video would be saved. And if I click on pick video again, here you can see now there are 4 videos. So yeah. Next, here inside view did load, I have just created one pick video button, assign some click listener to it. Then the save video button, assign some save button click listener. Merge button pressed click listener, and pick video audio button pressed click listener. Now first you will see the pick video code. So to pick video we have to use this UI document picker view controller, and I'm filtering by audio files only. And once that is presented, we come over here. So we are overriding this method. Once user picks an audio file, I'm just getting the first audio file and assigning it to our audio URL method. Next, coming to pick video button pressed. So ignore this. So pick video, first we check for authorization from our photos app. If we have it, then only we call pick video method. So here you can see I'm asking for permission. Once I have it, then I call pick video. So I am opening phpicker configuration, selection limit is 1, filtering by videos. Then you open phpicker view controller and present it, and here you can see I have created an extension for it. So once the user picks a video, I'll come back to this code. This is a completion handler. So basically we take the video URL which the user has selected, and we want to save it to some temporary location because we can't directly access it. So this entire code which you see, that's what this is. So you can just copy paste it if you want to, but in case if there is any error, we call our completion handler and pass our error. The URL is nil, but in case if it is perfectly fine, then we, as you can see, we are sending the destination URL and the error would be nil in this case. But anyways, so this all stuff is done. Here I have also created one extension. This is just for debugging purpose, you don't really need this. Okay, next, coming back to our code. So here you can see inside our completion handler, once it is called, we are dismissing our picker and calling handle pick video result. And if you see handle pick video result, oh, maybe I should have done it something like this. I should not directly have assigned it. If let URL equal to URL, then only assign this video URL, assign your URL to our video URL, because we only want to assign it in case if it is not null. All right, then coming back to our main code of replacing audio. So as you can see, once the merge button is pressed, we are calling this replace audio method, and here we just it gives us the updated URL. I assign it to our final URL, and we start playing that particular video inside our AV player view controller. So here that's what this is. And now coming to replace audio method, so firstly we are calling AVMutableComposition, then we are calling our file manager. Firstly I'm creating our video asset. So for I'm passing our video URL, I'm taking the video composition track, asset video track. I'm completely ignoring the audio for that particular video. Then I'm taking the video duration. Now this is very important, as you can see, and I'm inserting that creating a time range out of it and inserting inside our video composition track. Then I'm taking our asset of audio, creating an audio asset, creating audio composition track, asset audio track. Now here you can see, while inserting the time range, I am passing the video duration. So that's what I was talking about. If the video is 15-second long, audio is 30-second long, then I am passing the video duration. But suppose you don't care, you can pass the audio duration something like this as well. Just copy this and paste it over here. Okay, so depends on you how you want it. So I'll just keep it video duration for now. Then it could be that the audio is 15-second long, video is 30-second long, so you have to make the right choice. Maybe you can compare the audio duration with the video duration as well, and whatever is bigger or whatever is smaller, then act accordingly. Then I'm passing our inserting time range for our audio composition track, creating an export path as well as an export URL. If file already exists, I'm deleting that file. Then I'm creating an AV asset export session. Then I'm creating our assigning our export URL to our output URL. Then I'm setting the output file type, should optimize for network use is true, and then I'm calling export. And then our final URL is equal to export session.output URL, and I'm returning our final URL. Now, so as you saw, then we are launching our AV player. Now coming back to, so I've shown you this, shown you. So yeah, coming back to saving our file. So if the final URL is not nil, then only I call request authorization, which will help us to check whether we have the Photos app permission or not. If yes, then we call photolibrary.share.perform changes and create request for asset from video, pass our final URL. If it is success, then print this. In case of error, print out the error. So yeah, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Again, in case if I forgot, make sure you add this photo library permission as well. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.